to rules that ensure a fair trial. And as of now, both sides are at an impasse. The president blasted Democrats for the move and demanded an immediate trial in a tweet overnight. NBC's Kristen Welker has more.
With the stain of impeachment still setting in, President Trump firing back. What does it feel like to be the third president in U.S. history to be impeached?
Well, I don't feel like I'm being impeached because it's a hoax, it's a setup, it's a horrible thing they did.
And bringing in one of the two Democrats who voted no on both articles of impeachment, New Jersey Congressman Jeff Van Drew, now switching parties to become a Republican.
We're really happy to have Jeff on board.
But now, a new showdown over what happens next. On Wednesday night, after Democrats impeach the president, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi throwing the process into limbo and uncertainty, breaking historic precedent, vowing she will not send the articles to the Senate until she determines the top Senate Republican, Mitch McConnell, will hold a fair trial.
Our founders, when they wrote the Constitution, they suspected that there could be a rogue president. I don't think they suspected that we could have a rogue president and a rogue leader in the Senate at the same time.
But McConnell blasting Pelosi's move, saying it proves Democrats' case is the, quote, thinnest and weakest in American history.
Speaker Pelosi suggested that House Democrats may be too afraid to even transmit their shoddy work product to the Senate. Mr. President, looks like the prosecutors are getting cold feet.
The top Senate Democrat says McConnell must call 4 current and former Trump administration officials to testify, including Acting Chief of Staff Mick Mulvaney and former National Security Advisor John Bolton.
We ask, is the president's case so weak that none of the president's men can defend him under oath?
The president responding.
They don't want to put in their articles, their ridiculous, phony, fraudulent articles. They don't want to put them in because they're ashamed of them, because it's what they've done is wrong, and it's bad for the country, very, very bad for the country.
The Republican-led Senate is expected to acquit the president if there's a trial. Leader McConnell saying he met with Schumer on Thursday and they remain at an impasse over witnesses. Francis.
All right, Kristen, thank you.
Today is December 20, 2019. I am Jake Locksmith service for Walton, Florida, USA, making this video for all my subscribers. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and I do the same for you all. That's what's up.
As the debate kicked off in Los Angeles, the Democratic presidential candidates wasted no time diving into the vote to impeach the president.
We have a president who is a pathological liar. No matter what happens in the Senate, it is up to us in 2020. This is our chance to refuse to be taken in by violence.
Like my videos, share my videos. Y'all know one thing, I will do the same for you all, because that's what's up.
Advocated turning the attention away from attacking the president to attacking
Being forced over impeachment, which unfortunately strikes many Americans like a ball game where you know what the score is going to be, and start actually digging in and solving the problems that got Donald Trump elected in the first place.
The questions came fast and furious, covering trade, the environment, taxes, the economy.
Peace out for now. Peace out for now.